Yeah, I remember that.
Hi guys.
You remember feeding us some bird?
We are going to play the wolf today,
Here's your
and yeah. Oh, sorry, that's my dad in the background.
It's nice and chocolatey.
Oh, thanks. I'm talking to my dad, guys. Well, by the way, today we're gonna play the wolf. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, it just takes some time. And it's almost Halloween. One day. We have one day until Halloween, which is today. So, yeah. And I'm new to this, so I don't have any merch yet, because I'm not that popular. Oh. It's Grandma over here. And yes, I have the Mighty Wolf. Yeah, that's just my friend. Oh my gosh, quit. I'm talking to my brother. Okay, you can do that. Yeah, sorry.